bowls and 3 cups. Huh?
How many balls did you have, Zach? How many balls are there, Zach? 3?
Yeah.
Okie dokie, carry on.
Can I use a magic wand?
Can you give me the wand a minute?
No, I don't need this.
Right, use your magic tapping finger. Tell me what you're going to do.
I think it's behind the blue car.
Oh!
Hey, it's just disappeared! I just got 3! Take this one off.
He doesn't get it.
I want to do it again.
Doing it again. Right, come on then.
Mummy, can we do incredible block
Hang on, let's see.
escape?
We'll do that in a minute. Let Zach do this one again. Off you go, Zach. Tell me from the beginning.
I have 3 bowls and 3 cups.
Okay.
Incredible block escape. Lay it down, then put the bowls out.
Oh, it's going well this time. Okay, let's go. What are you
I'm
doing?
falling. Hey, I need another one. I forgot it.
Oh my goodness.
You stole it. You stole it.
Did you?
Dad, look, there's a pom. Dad, look, there's a pom pom right there. Dad, you forgot the pom pom. Now, guys,
No, Kian, let him do the trick.
Look, there's only 2. Zach, look, it's only 2.
Right, Zach, give it to Kian and let Kian go doing the trick.